Good morning, students. Today I will teach the important 1 mark for set language. The first one, the singleton set. The singleton set means the set having or contain only one elements. Okay, for example, we are having two example. The first one, A is equal to the set X such that 3 less than X less than 5, X belongs to N. Okay. Then here having only one element, the present element is 4. Okay, this is a singleton set. Okay, this having the only one element is present, the element is 4, that is singleton set. Then second is example is the set of all even prime numbers. The even prime numbers only one number is represent, the number is 2. Okay, the number is 2. And second question, if A is equal to A, B, C, 8, 2, 3, then find N of A. N of A means, any question you find N of A means the number of elements in the set, the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Okay. Then next question, any set, for example A and B, any two set contain the same number of elements, the counting are same. The counting or same is equivalent set. Counting or same is in equivalent set. And otherwise, if A and B for any two set contain the same element, that is the same number of elements, that is same elements. Same elements means for example A is equal to ABC, B is equal to already ABC. Okay, that is equal set. The number of elements are equal, that is equivalent. The number of elements are same, that is equal set. Okay. And fifth one, if N of A is equal to M, then N of P of A, that is subset. The formula for subset is 2 power M. Okay. In next question, the sixth one, the number of proper subset is N of P of A is equal to 2 power M minus 1. Okay, that is proper subset. The omitted, the empty set is called proper subset. Okay. And seventh one, if N of A is equal to 4, then find N of P of A. N of P of A means subset. Then substitute the formula for here M is equal to 4. Substitute the value M is equal to 4. Then 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. And similar, the second question, N of A is equal to 0. Then put M is equal to 0, then 2 power 0 is equal to 1. That is any power of 0 is value is 1. Okay. Then reverse. The find if given N of A of A is equal to 256, then find N of A. Okay. The N of A means the find N of A is 2 or 8. Then 2 power 8 is 256. For example, 256 in divide 1 by 1 by 2. Then 128 in similar A, that is 64, then 32, then 16, then 8, then 4, then 2, then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 elements present. Okay. Therefore, the answer is 8. And 10th one, A intersection B. A intersection B means the elements X have both A and B set. X belongs to A and B. So intersection means and. Okay. Then union. Union means the X elements having a present A set or B set. Any one of the element is present, the both sets are any one of the set. Okay, that is OR condition, that is union. AND condition, that is intersection. Okay. Then important formula for A dash equal to U minus A, then similar B dash equal to U minus B, and A minus B is equal to A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B dash. Okay. And A minus A is equal to empty. A minus B is equal to B minus A. When it is the answer. A minus B, B minus A are same, then A equal to B. A minus B is equal to A, then A intersection B is empty. Okay, and 12th one, that is symmetric difference, delta, that is mean del is symmetric difference. The formula for symmetric difference, A symmetric B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. Okay, and A minus B intersection B minus C is empty. The converse, union means symmetric, intersection means empty. The A minus B, B minus A, there are no other common elements for A minus B and B minus A. Okay, and third one, the in similar way, that is a difference value, that is union and intersection. A del B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Okay, A union B minus A intersection B. And A del A, the same number, A del A or B del B are empty. And 13th one, find n of u, then n of u is equal to n of A dash, n of u is equal to n of B dash. Okay, the formula for two sets in 2 more questions, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. In case the A and B are disjoint, the disjoint means the intersection is empty. Then intersection means empty, we apply the value is empty, then n of A union B is equal to only upcoming the n of A plus n of B is only present. That is the empty, this is omitted. Okay, A and B, that is very important question. A and B are disjoint, then the value of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B, and n of A intersection B is empty. Okay, then finally n of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B, and n of B minus A is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B. It is easily find. Here first number is A, you take A, first number is B, you take B, and the common A intersection B are common. Okay, now I go to the in book bag 1 more questions. In the first question, see the first question, which of the following is correct? The 7 belongs to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. The option B is correct. The which of the following the correct answer? The first one is option B is correct. Okay, and the question number 2, phi of P is equal to set of all x such that x belongs to Z minus 1 less than x less than 1. There is a 0 element is present. The 0 element, okay, the 0 element are present from here. Therefore, it is singleton set. That is singleton set. The answer is singleton set. First one answer is B. Second one answer is A. Okay. Okay, and third one, now u is equal to x such that x belongs to n, x less than n. Then x belongs to n, 2 less than x less than 6. Then a dash. Omit a dash. The answer is 3. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. B is subset of A and A intersection B is, the fourth one is 2, n of B. Answer is n of B. And x, y, z are the non-empty subset. Non-empty subset. The answer is 7. Answer is 7. Okay. And which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? The first one is correct. Empty is a proper subset of A comma B. First one answer. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Then A is equal to B, the answer, correct answer. B minus A is B, then A intersection B is 8th one. Answer is empty set. B minus A is equal to B, then A intersection B is empty. Okay.